Prepare your mind, train your body, push your limits past your own comprehension. You have to be willing to push yourself in all that you do. And whatever you decide, do it with a purpose, with all your heart, with all your soul. You have to give it everything that you have, everything that you know. You have to have the will to survive, the will to fight for your life and what you believe in. Your life is precious. Fight for it.
I want everybody to understand that all these different things that I do, it's just pretty much pushing myself past what I know. And if you don't do that, then you'll never realize what you can accomplish at the end of the day. If you want to be successful in life, you got to push yourself. You got to risk. You got to sacrifice. If you're not willing to risk or sacrifice, then you're just you're gonna always plateau. You're never gonna reach those goals that you didn't think you can accomplish.
I'm here to tell you that you can be somebody because you are limitless. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to. You have to work for it. You gotta work hard. Work every day. When everyone else is sleeping, you gotta be working. When everybody else is eating, you gotta be working. When everybody else is partying, you gotta be fucking working.
Fitness for me is just a lot of pain and sacrifice and putting in the fucking work. Every day you come out here, you give it 100%, you push your limits as far as you can go. With that said, go hard or go home. Training Satan every fucking day. You know, I wanted to show you guys the struggle and what it takes to get results. Hard work, consistency, dedication, determination, pain, sacrifice.